Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Water Softeners is probably one of the most effective solutions for combating the damaging effects of hard water on your hair, leaving it softer, shinier, and more manageable by removing the mineral buildup that causes dryness, frizz, and breakage, ultimately transforming your hair care routine and restoring its natural health and vitality. Number 5. Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Remedy. Are you struggling with the effects of hard water? It can leave your hair and skin feeling dull and lifeless. Discover a solution designed to combat these issues. This treatment works to gently remove unwanted buildup. It's formulated with the natural power of vitamin C. This ingredient is key to restoring your hair's natural shine. Say goodbye to mineral deposits and impurities that weigh your hair down. Experience a truly clean feeling. Achieve visibly healthier and more vibrant results. Enjoy hair that looks and feels revitalized. This is your go-to treatment for transforming your hair's condition. It effectively tackles the challenges of hard water. What we like. This treatment is packed with vitamin C to tackle hard water buildup. It effectively removes impurities, leaving your hair looking vibrant and shiny. If you're experiencing dullness and mineral deposits from hard water, this is the solution for you. What people say. The Malibu Sea Hard Water Powder is not just a hair product, it's a life changer. For years, I was fighting a losing battle against hard water. My hair was brittle, my color looked brassy and muddy within weeks of a salon visit, and my curls had all but given up. The strands felt rough and coated, no matter how expensive my shampoos or conditioners were. I finally tried one packet of the Hard Water Wellness Remedy, and the difference was immediate and shocking. The instant I rinsed the treatment out, my hair felt clean for the first time in years, not stripped, but genuinely free of the mineral cement that had been coating it. Shine and softness, the dull, rough texture vanished. My hair dried softer and had a shine I hadn't seen since I moved to a hard water area. Color restoration, my highlights, which had faded into a brassy orange-yellow mess, were instantly brighter and clearer. It truly revived my color. This simple powder dissolved the years of calcium, magnesium, and copper buildup that had been choking the life out of my hair. My hair is finally back to normal, responding to conditioner, holding styles, and looking healthy. I live in an area with very hard water and have struggled with dullness, buildup, and hair that never quite felt clean, even after washing. I tried the Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Remedy and noticed a difference after just one use. After shampooing, I applied the treatment as directed and let it sit for about 5 minutes. When I rinsed, my hair immediately felt lighter and smoother. Once dry, it had more shine and softness, and my natural color looked brighter. My scalp also felt cleaner without being dry or irritated. Removes hard water buildup effectively. Hair feels softer, lighter, and cleaner. Boosts shine and vibrancy. Gentle and non-drying. Easy, single-use packet. This stuff works amazing to clean my hair and any product. I use it before I get my hair colored and my hair gal always comments on how nice my hair feels. Also, it brings out my hair's natural waves. Number 4. OUAI Detox Shampoo. Tired of dull, lifeless hair? Our clarifying shampoo is designed to tackle stubborn buildup from dirt, oil, and product residue. Get ready for a truly refreshed feel. Infused with the natural goodness of apple cider vinegar and strengthening keratin, this formula works to purify your strands. It gently lifts away impurities without harsh sulfates. Experience the sensation of clean, revitalized hair. This shampoo effectively removes hard water minerals, leaving your locks feeling light and incredibly refreshed. We believe in gentle yet effective cleansing. That's why our shampoo is sulfate-free, ensuring your hair is cleaned without stripping away essential moisture. Whether your hair is oily, dry, or somewhere in between, this detox shampoo is your secret weapon. Achieve a deep clean and a healthy scalp with every wash. Rediscover the natural beauty of your hair. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in clarity, bounce, and overall health. What we like. This shampoo offers a deep cleanse, removing all sorts of buildup, including from hard water. Its sulfate-free formula ensures gentleness while apple cider vinegar clarifies. If you need a thorough reset for your hair and want to avoid harsh sulfates, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's a great product for hard water hair treatment. This product is amazing for hard water hair treatment. I love this product for hard water hair treatment. Number 3. MAREE Hair Serum Styling Capsules. Are you tired of dealing with frizzy and dry hair? Our innovative styling capsules are here to help you achieve smooth, manageable locks. Enriched with keratin, argan oil, and vitamins A, E, and B5, these capsules deeply nourish and repair your hair. Shield your hair from harmful UV rays and heat styling. It provides effective protection while controlling frizz. Whether your hair is frizzy, damaged, or simply needs a styling boost, our serum is the perfect solution for women. Discover the secret to effortlessly styled and healthy-looking hair. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to soft, lustrous hair. These capsules provide intense hydration and a beautiful shine. What we like. This serum is designed to combat frizz and dryness, infused with beneficial oils and keratin. It also provides protection against UV rays and heat styling. If you struggle with frizzy, damaged hair and want added protection during styling, this product is ideal. What people say. These capsules are a convenient leave-in treatment that helps hydrate, smooth, and add shine to the hair. They contain keratin and argan oil, which are great for helping repair dry or damaged hair. After applying a small amount to my hair, it felt softer, looked shinier, and had less frizz. Number 2. Malibu Sea Swimmers Wellness Shampoo and Conditioner Plus Hair Mask Kit. Dive into summer with the ultimate hair care solution. This kit is designed to protect and revitalize your hair, keeping it healthy and vibrant all season long. Worried about pool chlorine and copper? Our specially formulated products act as a shield, preventing damage and keeping your hair in pristine condition. Experience the triple action of clarifying, moisturizing, and shine restoration. It leaves your hair feeling soft, looking brilliant, and completely refreshed. Whether you're an adult or a child, this kit is perfect for everyone. Enjoy worry-free swimming and beautiful hair all summer. Don't let summer elements compromise your hair's health. This essential kit provides everything you need for strong, healthy, and radiant hair. With 6 pieces included, you get a complete hair care system. It's everything you need to maintain gorgeous hair, even with frequent swimming. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for swimmers, clarifying and moisturizing hair while protecting it from chlorine and copper. It's designed to restore shine and health to hair exposed to pool water. If you or your kids swim regularly, this kit is essential for maintaining healthy hair. What people say. This product is a game changer for my hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft, manageable, and incredibly shiny. I've struggled with hard water damage for years, and this is the first product that has truly made a difference. I love how this treatment clarifies my hair without stripping it of its natural oils. My scalp feels healthier, and my hair looks visibly less dull and frizzy. It's like a spa treatment at home. Number 1. Malibu Sea Blondes Wellness Remedy. Tired of unwanted yellow and orange tones in your blonde hair? Our wellness remedy is specifically designed to tackle discoloration. It gently removes brassiness, revealing your true blonde shade. Bleached, highlighted, or natural blonde hair can lose its luster. This treatment works to restore vibrancy, bringing back that beautiful, healthy shine. Get ready to love your blonde again. Experience the revitalizing power of our unique vitamin C complex. It's the key ingredient that helps to brighten and refresh your hair. You'll see and feel the difference. Whether your blonde is natural, highlighted, or achieved through bleaching, this remedy is for you. It's formulated to be effective yet gentle on all types of blonde hair. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Don't let discoloration dull your look. Our remedy actively works to restore the natural vibrance and brilliant shine of your blonde locks. Enjoy hair that looks and feels healthier. Achieving brighter, more vibrant blonde hair has never been easier. Just a few simple steps can transform your look. Experience the confidence that comes with beautiful, healthy-looking blonde hair. What we like. Specifically formulated for blonde hair, this remedy targets and removes discoloration caused by hard water and other elements. It works to restore the natural vibrancy and shine of blonde tones. If you have bleached, highlighted, or natural blonde hair that's looking brassy or dull, this is the perfect treatment. What people say. This is a great product that has made my hair feel soft and manageable. I have noticed a significant improvement in the health of my hair since using this product. My hair is no longer dry and brittle, and it has a healthy shine to it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.